Yo guys, what's up? My name is EIZY from EIZY Customizer and welcome back to my video review. This time around I have something new for you guys. It is the Aoshima plastic model kit variable fighter girl VF-25S Messiah. So this kit is completely new, completely much better design compared to the other two, the Kairos and also the Siegfried. This kit costs you around 7,800 yen. I got this from Hakim Trading. The link in the description down below if you guys are looking for this plastic model kit. It is a local shop from Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia. So long story short, let's get started. This is Messiah. She has a completely new design. She has a new body outfit, the new leg designs, new shoes, new hairstyle. The face expression are also new. She has the same articulation like both earlier release. So this is it. You guys can see. Overall, really nice. So for the articulation, your head can move up about this far. There you go. Move down about this far. Side to side. And also this thing here can move. And she has a ponytail back here. Can move up and down, left and right, like that. And this backpack also can move the wing, a small wing here. Can move like that, like so. Not much. The hand is same like both of them. Can move up about this far. Can swivel. Oops. Can move about this far. Rotate. And can move like that. So this part also can be moved. Can in forward and backward. Her leg can move up about this far. Back about this far. This going way, move back this far. Swivel. Pivot. Not much. Just that. You guys have two options either to use this showing skin design outfit or make a full bodysuit like this one. You have a two option here, which is really nice for this release. This Messiah fighter jet has completely new design. In terms of articulation, the transformation are much better than the previous fighter jet. The Kairos, I have this one, the Kairos one, and also the Siegfried. They are both the same, but this Messiah here is so nice. Yeah, but before we move to the transformation, I just want to show you guys how the new Messiah looks like. So it's back here. The articulation is this thing is not that much. It just like can open up like this, close. This is unmovable, and the wings can move like this. And yeah, the antennas here are also can be moved. Not much. It's like that. this cockpit has two options. Either you want to use the purple one, or we have here the transparent one. We also have this cover here in gray color. You can use either one. And also we have this part that goes under here, also in a gray. So we have this part here. If we just want to swap everything into this color, we have the option here. So that's what else? Yeah, we have the weapon down here. You can just take this one out, just like that. This is the rifle, I guess. So not much articulation in fighter jet mode for this Messiah. The thing that this thing comes with are these hinges for the transformation later. Also we have this thing also for the transformation later. The hand parts for the robot mode, some open hand and fist, the handle for the transformation, also the hands for the robot. We also have, I'm not sure what this is. This is for the gun, I guess. Also the handle for the gun. Yep, that's it. For the Gerwalk mode, like I said, this is a completely new design. The transformation is so cool, much cooler and much better than the Kairos and the Siegfried. So first thing, we need to pull this out. And pull this down. For the Gerwalk mode, we don't need a lot of parts former, just that much. We attach this thing here and just slowly put both this part down here, and here you go. See? Ta-da! Yes. Okay. Here you go. We do the other side too. There you go. And also we can spread the legs like so. So this mechanism is so new for this Messiah design. We don't need parts former anymore like what we have with the Kairos and also the Siegfried. They improved this a lot. It looks like handling a real transformable Macross into robot mode, but this one only has the Gerwalk mode and also the Battroid mode to merge with the classic waifu. So this is the improvement that they have now. The rest are still the parts former. We need to pull this one, and then what else we need to, here you go. Also I'm actually referring to the manual because I can't remember, or else I break anything. There's an eye here. the gun. Also, we need to pull this part out. Is it? I don't think so. Oh, wrong part. It should be this part. Yeah, here you go. So, the other side. There you go. And we have the handle here. Just pull this thing out. Like so. And then put this in. And then put this back here. There you go. You have the handle here, and also this thing in the back here can be open like so, just to put the legs later. So, and then this part here can open up. There you go. And we can pull this down like so. So pull this down and spread the leg. Yeah, there you go. And what else? We should close this one up, isn't it? Okay, that's fine. So here we go. So this is Messiah in the Gerwalk mode. So far it looks pretty amazing. Less parts former compared to the previous Kairos and the Siegfried. That is why I really like this kit over the other two. They improved a lot. The mechanism and everything are just so sick this time. It looks like we are holding a fully transformable Macross, but it's actually not. Just for the Gerwalk and also the Battroid mode merging with the plastic waifu later. Overall, the articulation for this kit are actually the same like the previous design. We have the hand can be moved like this and like so. There's a shield here. You can move up about this far, and we have the gun here. It comes with the handle. The legs can only move about this far. There you go. Oops. Oh, just take this off. So nothing much, nothing new articulation so far. Just the same like before, except for the transformation. We have the new mechanism for the legs for the Gerwalk mode. The Battroid mod of this Messiah, it looks pretty cool to me, and it looks pretty bulky, especially for the legs. So this is the front view, the side view of it, and the back view. The backpack is so big, it looks so bulky this time. So for the articulation, there's a small improvement, which this hand can move about this far, and it back about this far. There's a joint, the ball joint here. You can move up and down, side to side, not much. The legs, this thing here is actually pretty loose because we can extend it, the leg. So this is the some minor weakness of this kit. You can bend like so. Oops, you can bend like so. This handle is also loose because cannot fit pretty well, very loose. Yeah, just leave it like that. So the backpack is actually just hanging at the back here, because we can just pull this one out. Oops, where's this thing? Here you go. You can just pull this one out. This design is so cool to me, because you can easily turn it into fighter jet. Just move it like this. See, compared to the other, the Kairos and the Siegfried, this thing can flip like this much. The Kairos is just like that, not mistaken. This one can make it like this. Very cool, very nice redesign. So that's all for my review. Hope you guys like this review. This is a very simple review. Hope you guys like it. I hope to see you guys next time in the next video. So that's all for me today. Goodbye.